One of my priority bills is the abolition of the senior high school.
Senior, can you say that again, Senator?
One of my priority bills is the abolition of the senior high school.
Abolition. So, ano to
Senior
parang...
high school.
Oh.
Akala ko senior discount.
Hindi pa pwede yun kasi senior citizen
Magrarally
naman
ako
ako.
against that. No, just kidding. But anyways, senior high school, can you elaborate?
Excuse me?
You said the abolition
Of
of
senior.
senior high school.
Yes, because I have received a lot of letters and yung mga taong bayan mismo na lumalapit sa akin na talagang pampahirap yung karagdagan 2 taon sa kanilang mga anak, sa kanilang mga sa ating mga mag-aaral. Kasi I think that yung when we enacted that law, when we passed that law 10 to 12 years ago at hanggang ngayon, I think the K to 12 is a dismal failure. So, para sa akin, not to burden the parents, na karagdagan gastos, tsaka karagdagang oras para sa ating mag-aral, mas mabuti pang i-abolish na natin yung senior high school.
So you want to go back
Kasi-
to the old K to 10.
K to
10.
Yes, but that is that will pass through a rigid committee hearing. Si Senator Bam Aquino will be chairing that particular committee on Basic Education to hear both sides, all stakeholders concerned. Na kasi meron din mga stakeholders concerned na kailangang i-reform na lang yung batas ng K to 12. Marami rin umaalma na huwag tanggalin. Pero sa aking palagay, mas marami yung gustong tanggalin na, yung gusto i-abolish yung senior high school.
So, in your mind, ang matitira parang yung similar po ba ito doon sa K to 10 na matatag curriculum? Parang ganon, more or less?
Yes, ako ibalik na lang sa dati kasi ang sabi kasi doon sa batas doon sa K to 12 nung pinasa namin yan a decade ago, pagka nakaka-graduate ka na ng senior high school, pwede ka na mag-apply ng trabaho. Anong nangyari? Ang hinahanap pa rin ng kumpanya, college graduate pa rin. So, useless. Di ba? Di sayang lang yung 2 taon. Di mag-graduate ka na ng college para makapaghanap ka ng trabaho. Mas madaling makatrabaho.